Hi everyone, Yaazhini here. Today we are gonna draw a toucan, so let's get started. To draw a toucan, draw its beak, draw a horizontal line, curve it on the edge, sharp it, go back, join it. Draw a horizontal line inside, from there come down, bulge it out, draw one more line, from there come down, join it, add details and draw its eye. From there come down, draw its wings, curve it, join it. Extend these lines, draw its leg, do the same thing over here, draw a branch, draw straight lines, from there come down, add details, join it. So that I hope you guys love toucan. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new yarn if not videos. See you later.